Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix no Ethernet driver in Device Manager. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Open the console as administrator, click Yes to access. Here, free the system cache with the command ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Now reset the WinSock catalog. Run the command netch winsock reset. To complete this process, you must restart your operating system. When you log in again, look for Network Reset. Open Network Reset. There, click on the button Reset Now and confirm this by clicking Yes. Close the pop-up window. Again, restart Windows so that the network reset is completed and this error will have been solved. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.